Minister of Health Dr. Chitalu Chilufya has finally responded to the allegations leveled against his ministry by the Auditor General. The interim Auditor General's report from February to 31st July 2020 and released earlier this month revealed massive irregularities in the transparency, accountability and management of COVID-19 resources amounting to about 1.3 billion kwacha. However, the minister has rubbished the report, saying it is a smear campaign on the ministry's fight against COVID-19. He says his ministry has never received 1.3 billion kwacha.
We have seen streaming headlines such as Minister of Health mismanages 1.3 billion kwacha. We have never received 1.3 billion kwacha from anywhere. You must have the money to mismanage it. So that's a shameful lie. Minister of Health working outside procurement guidelines, we have all the documentation. Even if we're working within the public health emergency, we have ensured that we work within the law to ensure that emergency procurements are done. And this is all meant just to protect the country from COVID-19. Drawing money from Treasury without authority, that is incredibly shocking. Minister of Health, or indeed any other ministry, does not sign up on Treasury. It's the preserve of the Minister of Finance. And if any resources are drawn, it is with Treasury Authority.
Dr. Chilufya says he wonders why people, especially those in the media, are not highlighting his ministry's fight against COVID-19.
These orchestrated attempts to blemish the fight against COVID-19 by not highlighting the successes of the fight against COVID-19, but just peddling falsehoods to decoy the public from the successes of the fight against COVID-19 must be frowned upon by all well-meaning citizens.
But one thing to note is that despite the minister refuting the claims of mismanaging or misappropriating the 1.3 billion kwacha, he did not comment on other issues such as the irregular transfer of funds from one bank account to another, or the failure by his ministry to explain irregular cash withdrawals, or even the hefty and abnormal allowances that were paid to various officers under his ministry. Virginia Chilongo, Movie TV News in Lusaka.